Okay, we now move on to IELTS speaking part 2, and your topic is describe a place, person or home you like to visit but you don't want to live there. There is a place, there is someone's house, you like to go there but you don't want to live there. You should say what place is it, present tense. When do you visit that place, like every month, every week, Sunday and all that. How you feel about it, your feeling, and why you don't want to live there, the reasons for not living there. This cue card is all in present tense, so try to use mainly present simple tense to elaborate your answer. You will now have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
Well, I am a traveler person and I always love to explore new places, and I found that nothing beats home. Here I am going to talk about my sister's home. I have been visiting her house from last 15 years at the time she got married, and the reason why I loves her house is that she lives in Karachi, and because as you know that Karachi is known as city of lights, and I love that place. I love that place because of there are big shopping malls and plenty of food, streets are there, and I am a foodie person, and I always visit her place. It also gives me a time to relax from my hectic routine, and yes, I because there are plenty of reasons why I don't want to live there. The first of all is air pollution, because Karachi is a rushy area. There are a lot of people who come from rural areas, and air pollution can cause our respiratory system, and the other reason is that noise pollution is also, because noise can damage our hair, and there are a lot of reasons that I don't want to settle there.
Okay, all right. Overall, it's very good. You spoke for 1 minute and 44 seconds, and it's much better than before, than your previous performance. I found some mistakes. Like you said, I'm not a traveler person. So traveler and person, that is not right. I'm not a traveler. Okay. Then you said I loves. It should have been I love, not I loves. Then you said visit. Instead of visit, you said visit. And then you said first of all is. The first of all is. It should have been the first reason is. Then you said cause our respiratory system. It should have been it damages our respiratory system. So these type of some irregularities are there. Overall, your speaking was good. Now let's move on to speaking part 3. What type of apartments do most people in your country like to live in?
Okay, well, in my country, it depends on financial.
It depends on.
It depends on financial status of people. In my country, the people who can afford, they can live in independent houses, and but in some areas, people can't afford their own houses. They also live in rented apartments.
Okay. Do people in your country like to invite others as guests?
Yeah, in my country, people like to invite other as a guest, because especially in special occasions.
On special occasions.
On special occasions like Eid, and if they want to celebrate any birthday party, they invite their relatives and cuts the cake together.
All right, good. Do people take gifts when they visit each other?
Yeah, they give gifts each other. This is a tradition in our country. In past, people also gave money as a gift, but in present people buy clothes and many other gifts and give children and other ones.
All right, mashallah, that's very good. Keep it up. Okay, the way you spoke, although there are few irregularities, just try to overcome these, but at present I'll give you 6.5. Well done, very good. Right, with a little effort you can make it 7. Okay, thank you.